सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Honorable members, today, April 2, is recognized by the United Nations as World Autism Awareness Day. This House, I strongly feel, would reaffirm its commitment to promoting the rights and well-being of individuals with autism. This year's theme, Advancing Neurodiversity and the UN Sustainable Development Goals, highlights neurodiversity and sustainable development. Yesterday, a distinguished member of this House, Shri Sujit Kumar, emphasized the need for autism awareness with a special focus on facilitation for unique disability identification card and advocated holding of camps and supporting families for the same. India's legislative framework, including the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 and National Trust Act 1999, has established crucial entitlements and support programs. Entitlements have meaning only when they reach the intended persons. Our inclusive education and vocational training initiatives are creating meaningful opportunities for autistic individuals, but more is required to be done. Moving forward, we must prioritize awareness, early intervention, unique disability ID certification camps, and inclusive policies to ensure proper support and opportunities. Aligning these efforts with sustainable development goals, particularly quality education, decent work, and reduced inequality, will strengthen our commitment to inclusivity. India stands firmly for creating an equitable world for individuals with autism. I had yesterday requested the Leader of the House, who is also the concerned minister, to take proactive initiatives by way of holding camps in institutions that help children suffering with autism. And I'm sure he would come out during this session with the steps that can possibly be taken, as awareness will continue as per United Nations for the entire month of April. Honorable members, let us collectively resolve to build a society where individuals with autism are empowered to lead fulfilling lives with dignity and equal opportunities. A challenged human resource is not challenged the way we think. Every challenged human resource is a reservoir of talent, and we need to harness it by allowing the concerned to unleash that energy for self-development and societal development. Honorable members, 4 notices have been received under Rule 266.